Hello guys, Uh, we are moving towards the second lecture of our sequence and series for class 11. And now we will see, in the previous lecture we have seen the general term of an AP from starting. Now we will see the general term of an AP from last. So we have seen the general form of the AP, that is A plus D, where A is the first term and D is common difference of the AP. What is the general form? A plus D, A plus 2D, and we are saying that the last term of this AP is L. Okay, and there are n terms in this AP. It means that if there are 10 terms in this AP, then L is what? L is 10th term. If there are 20 terms in this AP, then L is 20th term because it is last term. So if there are n terms in the AP, then L is what? L is nth term of this AP. Okay. So if L is nth term, we can write L as, what is L? L is nth term of this AP, and we can write L as A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. See. So now we have to write down the formula for general term of an AP from last. We have seen the formula from of general term of an AP from starting, that is A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. If first term is A and common difference is D, what we will write AP? A plus D, A plus 2D. And last term is, if last term is L and common difference is D, the term before L would be L minus D. See, in this L minus D, we will add D and get L. The term before L minus D would be L minus 2D, and so on, L minus 3D, L minus 4D. Okay. Now we are talking about the from last. What is the first term? That is T1. From last, what is T1? First term, it is L. T1, it is the last. It is the first term from last. T2, what is T2? It is from last. Second term, T2 is L minus D. T3 from last. Third term, it is L minus 2D. Okay. See, what is this? This is L minus 0 into D. It is L minus 1 into D. It is L minus 2 into D. So if I ask you to write the seventh term of this AP from last, okay, from last, seventh term, what you will write? L minus 6 into D. Why? You are seeing the difference of 1. If there is 1, we will write here 0. If 2, we will write 1. If 3, we will write 2. Okay. 1 less than the number present with T. So if there is 7, we will write here 6. If there is 20, what will be the last? What will be the term 20th term from last? It is L minus 19D. And what will be the nth term from last? L minus n minus 1 D. Okay. So the formula we have seen before in the previous lecture. What was that? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. What are the requirements for this formula? The requirements are first term and common difference. And n is the value you have been asked for, the seventh term or the sixth term, and you will be given. The requirements are first term and common difference. This is the formula for requirements of this formula is L, that is last term. What is L? L is last term of the AP. The requirements of this formula are L and common difference D. Okay. So if you are given the last term and common difference and you are asked to find out the term from last, what you will use? L minus n minus 1 D. Okay. If you are not known the value of L, what you will use? You will use this formula to find out the value of L firstly. L will be the nth term of that AP, and n is the number of terms in that AP. If there are total 10 terms, then L will be the 10th term. If there are 20 terms in the AP, then L will be the 20th term of that AP. Okay. You can pause the video and make the note. Now we will find out sum of n terms of AP. What is the general form of AP? A plus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, and at last L minus D, L minus 2D, and so on. And we have to find out the sum of these terms. So plus, 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 plus. Okay. And we are writing it as S. What is it? S is sum of n terms. Okay. There are n terms in this AP. Letting it as equation first. We will write down these equations by reversing it. As reverse this equation, what it will become? L minus D, L plus 2D, A plus 2D, A plus D, and A. This is equation second. And add these two equations, 1 plus 2, it will give you 2S, S plus S, 2S. It will give you A plus L. It will give you DD cancel, A plus L. Sorry. This L minus 2D. So 2D will be cancelled, A plus L. And again here 2D cancel, A plus L. Again DD cancel, A plus L. And once again A plus L. Okay. These were n terms. These were also n terms. We just reversed them. So the addition of n terms to the n terms will give you in total 2n terms. What it will give you? It will give you 2n terms. Okay. But it will be 2n if we count this A separate and this L separate. If we count this A separate, this L separate, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, it will give you till this L 2n terms. Okay. But we will count it as one pair. It is 1, 2, 3, and so on. And now this will give you 2n by 2 n terms because we have just paired them. Okay, we have made the pair of two, A and L. We are counting it as one. Okay, so what it will give you? 2s is equals to, see, if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, sorry, if we add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times, it will give you 5 into 2, that is 10. If we add 2 20 times, it will give you 20 into 2, that is 40. In the same way, we are adding A plus L. How many times? We are adding it as n times. So it will give you n times A plus L. And we have found the sum. S is equals to what we have got. S is equals to n by 2 A plus L. Okay. This is the formula we have wanted. S is equals to n by 2 A plus L. And this is the formula in terms of number of terms, first term and last term. Okay. There's one more formula by expanding this. What is this? S is equals to n by 2 A plus, and what was L? L was the nth term of the AP, n was the total number of terms, and we can write it as A plus n minus 1 D. A plus n minus 1 D. We have got S n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 D. This is another formula we have got. So if we know the first term and last term, we will use this formula, S is equals to n by 2 A plus L. And if we know the value of first term and common difference, we will use the formula S is equals to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. See. Now we'll see in question. We'll see a question. The last term of an AP is 20 and the common difference is D. Sorry. And the common difference is 2. What will be the fifth term from last? Fifth term from last. So we are directly given the value of last term and common difference, and we have been asked for the fifth term from last. What we will do? We will simply apply the formula, that is Tn is equals to from last. What is Tn? Tn is equals to L minus n minus 1 D. We have been given L 20 minus, and what is n? We have to find out T5. 5 minus 1 into D is 2. 20 minus 4 to the 8, 12. T5. Okay. The question can be asked in this form. Another question we can be asked as, the first term of an AP is 5 and the total number of terms n is 10. Common difference is 2. Find out fifth term from last. Fifth term from last. We have to find out the fifth term from last, but we are not given the value of last term. Okay. So firstly, we have to find out the value of last term. And how we will find out? We will use that L will be the 10th term of this series. If there are total 10 terms in this AP, then L will be L with the last term. The last term will be the 10th term of that AP. So firstly, we will find out the value of L. A plus 9D. What is A? 5 plus 9 into 2. That is 18. 23. So the first term is 5 and the last term is 23. Now we will find out the fifth term from last. And from last, T5 will be L minus 4D. That is 23 minus 4 into 2. It is 23 minus 8, 15. Okay. -23 minus 8, it will become 15, last term. There is one more method to solve this particular question.